at Mr. Becky, Mr. Maths. Here we are dealing with all issues of mathematics. We are still on module 5, lesson 1. Here we go. And we are now on example number 5. Yeah, example number 5, guys. Okay, it's still algebraic expressions, and we are still combining the like terms, but this time we are dealing with fractions. Combine like terms. Combine all these like terms. Okay, now I want us to look at something interesting here. What if they gave you something like this? 2 over 6 y plus 5 over 3 minus 3 over 24 y. I know some of you are saying, hey, that number is a big number, sir. Yes, I know these numbers are big, but math is about that. Plus 2 over 5. Yeah, let's see what you can do here. Again, we look at the like terms. Remember, we are combining like terms. So we look at the same terms. So the first one that we're looking at, okay, and another one here is 5 over 3 and 2 over 5. Let's see. Let me start with this one here with the variable. So we have 2 over 6 y minus, remember you must make sure that you also take it with the sign, minus 3 over 24 y, and we have a constant here which is plus 5 over 3 plus 2 over 5. All right. Now, remember the rules when we are doing fractions. The denominators has to be the same. You remember these notes I showed you the other time? If I'm having 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7, it's very easy. The signs are the same. I just take one denominator and I will say 3 plus 2, which will give us 5 over 7, right? You remember these rules, okay? But this only happens if the signs, if the denominators are the same, all right? But in this case, the denominator are not the same. So we have different denominators. So we need to change this 6 to make it 24, all right? Let's see how can we do that. Both these are even numbers, which means I can be able to change it to 24. I can change the small one to 24. Let's do that right now. So ask yourself this question: what number can I multiply 6 with in order for me to get 24? If we do our math, that will be 4. So I can say 2 multiply. Let me do this because it's 2 over 6y. Do not forget that 2 over 6y. So I'm going to multiply by 4 over 4. Right now, minus 3 over 24y. Now, what is 2 times 4? The answer will be 8. Remember, there is y here. So in other words, this 2y multiplied by 4, which is then 8y. Do not forget that y there. All over 6 times 4 will give us 24. All right. Okay. And also remember, because this y, let me do this so that other boys do not get confused. You can just write your y here. It doesn't make any difference anyway. Okay, so 3 over 24y, we already have 24 there, so we're just going to bring it down as is. So we have 3 over 24y. Now, can you see now? We can apply this rule here of fractions, this one here. So we just rule a line. Here we go. The signs here, they are not the same. We have negative here, and we have positive this side. So we take the sign of a bigger number, which is plus, and we subtract. 8 minus 3, right? And remember, we just take one denominator out of them. And everything here is y. So my 8 minus 3 will give us 5 over 24. And remember our y, do not forget it, y. So we are done with the one with the variables. For me, I like to do one thing first and then go on the other side. You can do it simultaneously if you want to, but for me, I prefer it this way. So now I'm dealing with the constant, the one without a variable. So I have 3 numbers. Oh, wow. Can you see here 3 and 5? Yeah, these ones here are not even numbers. These are odd numbers, which means I cannot change 3 to 5. I cannot make 3 5. So when you're faced with something like this, what I normally do, I just take both of them and I multiply them. All right. I ask myself, if I say 3 multiplied by 5, what am I going to get? I'm getting 15. Aha. So in other words, let me just make both of them 15. All right, boys and girls. So I'm going to make it 15. Both of these denominators, I want to make them 15. Let's try that. So I have 5 over 3. So asking myself, what can I multiply 3 with in order to be 15? Of course, I have it here already. I can multiply it by 5. So I'm going to multiply that by 5 over 5, right? And plus, remember this 2 over 5? I have 2 over 5. Same question. What must I multiply this 5 with to make it 15? Oh, yes, I can multiply it with what? With 3, because I've already done it there on top. And I know that if I multiply this 5 with 3, I will get 15. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. Aha. I'm bringing my positive down, or my plus down, my plus sign down. What is 5 times 5? The answer is 25. Aha. Over, what is 3 times 5? What is your answer? Yeah, that's correct. You are right. It's 15. Plus, what is 2 times 3? You know that it's 6, right? You are correct. Over, what is 5 times 3? Yes, it is 15. So now can you notice now the signs are the denominators are the same, and also the signs are the same. So I'm going to bring down one of the signs here. When the signs are the same, you add. So I'm rolling my line here, and I take one of the denominators, which is 15. Same thing I did on this side, I took 24. So because the signs are the same, I'm going to now add, because the signs are the same, I'm going to add my numerator. Numerator is the number on top of a fraction. Plus 6. So what is 25 plus 6? All right, let's do this. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, I'm hearing someone screaming 31. Yes, 31. Yes, 31. 31. Yes, 31 of 15. Guys, math is fun. So here we go, guys. So our answer then will be 5 over 24y plus 31 over 15. You cannot simplify here, so you can leave it like this. However, if the numbers, um, you know, were both even, we could have simplified it. But in this case, we just going to leave it like this. All right, because these numbers, one is an odd, another one is an even, so we cannot do much here. All right, remember 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, those are even, odd, 5, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so on and so on. So in this case, we cannot do much, so we cannot simplify. Remember, guys, to share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be able to see more and more maths that I'm sharing with you on our channel at Mr. Becky Meets Maths. My name is Mr. Becky, of course. So thank you, boys and girls. Follow us for more, and please comment, like, and do ask questions. We'll try our best to answer them so that you will understand. If you do not understand anything, pause, repeat, pause, repeat until you find it. This will help you for your exams. Thank you. See you on the next video.